So the next topic is the same calendar year. Already we have done some exercise regarding the same day concept, is it not? Same calendar month, right? And before that one also we have done some basic exercise on that one. Now we are going to deal in this one the same calendar year, right? Okay, let us start. See, same calendar year generally it is nothing but just like the diaries, whatever we use our diaries will be almost similar, almost it's the same. If January 1st starts with Monday for 1 year, the other one also starts with the same Monday. Entire the all the months in the diary will be the same. Instead of taking the new diary, we can use past diary. Some people, that is medical representatives, generally they use this type of technique. Old diaries they'll have and they'll use that one, and they say both are same. Can you do that one? No problem, right? So the same calendar year, again it is based on the odd days. So odd days should be how many? It should be 0 between any year, any years, that is, say the given year and the verification year. If the odd days are 0, we can say definitely it is a same calendar year, except in 1 or 2 issues, that is, right? I will let you know about that one. Now, in the same calendar, right? So in the same calendar, we'll use some other techniques, that is, we'll use the basic odd days concept, right? But there are 3 rules. You have to be very cautious about this one. Even you can say only 2 rules is enough, right? So what are those? Let us see. See, odd days must be, that is what I said, that is, odd days must be either 0, 7, 14, that is, it should be like that. For a given year, and a reference year. Given year is a reference year and a verification year, or any other year. Other year, whatever it may be. Between these 2 years, it should be, the odd days must be either 0 or 7, or there is multiples of 7, that is. It can be, right? That is first one. And second one is the both years. Which both years? These 2, that is, given year, that is, and the other year. So between the both years, they should be normal years, both should be normal years, or both should be leap years. Is it not? They may start the same day. They may start with the same day. That is what I said. The previous discussion, we have said that one. What is that one? They may start, that is, they may start with January 1st, that is Monday, both. But if one is leap year, the other one is a normal year, there will be a problem. That is, definitely, if up to February 28th, they will be same. But after February 29th, from then it starts troubling. So, while verification of the same calendar year, you will find this one, that is, it will be, this is the basic rule, but the main point is this one, that is, they must be either both are normal years or both are leap years. This is a, normally, no people, that is, generally, everybody will go with this one rule only. They'll have some chat and they will do. No. You people must learn the background, the concept, where we should not do mistakes. Right? Do's they will say, but don'ts also you have to learn. Do's is what? The chat, I will let you know about that one. But don'ts, this one. Both should not, that is, one normal year, one leap year, it should not be there. Clear? So this is what the basic background behind the same calendar year, right? So let us take one example and then start. Okay, see. Wow, yeah, the same calendar logic explanation with example. Okay, let us do this one. Which year subsequent to 1985 had the same calendar as that of the year 1985? See, they're asking about subsequent to. What do you mean by subsequent? Means next to, that is following 1985, that is after 1985, when will it will have the same calendar? That's what they are asking. Okay, so what I said, for verification, that is same calendar logic, what is the first rule? First rule is what? So we have to get the odd days as either 0 or 7 or 14, like that, right? So now we'll start with this one, just like months, just like same calendar months, right? So we'll start here. How many odd days are there in a in a normal year and a leap year? See, whatever the case is, the years are two types. Years are of two types. Months are how many types? Months are how many types? 12 months only, no, right? But years are either ordinary year or leap year. Ordinary year, it will have, or normal year, I say, normal. How many odd days or how many days are there? 365. And a leap year will have how many days? Leap year will have 366 days, right? Okay. And how many odd days are there in this one? Means 365 by 7. So it comes around 7 5s 35, 7 2s 14, 1 odd day. So whatever the weeks that is completed and remaining is only 1 odd day is there. And here it should be extra 1 day, means it is 2 odd days. So make sure that not odd, that is odd days in an ordinary year or normal year will have 1 odd day, and for leap year it have 2 odd days, right? Then only this one is case. So let us start 1985. Is it a leap year or normal year? 1985. Just before 1985, it is 1984, it is a leap year, right? Leap year comes every it comes every 4, that is every 4 years it comes. Okay, so it can't be this one. So we have done the leap year verification, right, in the previous videos. Now 1985, it is a normal year. So how many odd days are there? Just see this one. Okay, 1. 1986. It seems it is a leap year. No, right? Be cautious about this type of, right? See, once 1984 is a leap year, it comes then the 4th, 84 plus 4, 88 should be there. Is it not? Okay, so 86 is not a leap year, it is a normal year. So how many odd days? 1 odd day, right? Coming to 1987, right? First of all, we'll write the cases here till, we'll try, till when we have to try? Till how many years you have to try? Till you get the addition of, what is that one? The odd days as either 0, it can't be 0, and either 7 or 14. Wherever it is there, you stop there. The next year and the starting year will resemble same. But before that one, the second condition is what? You have to check both first year and last year should be the normal years. Both normal years are both leap years. Okay. Then let us start. 1985 1, 1986 1. Okay, 87 1, 88 2. 1 1 1 2. Again, the sequence goes like this, rhythmically, that is 1 1 1 2, 1 1 1 2, right? So 1 1. Okay, we'll stop here and let us see what happens. Okay, shall I write here also? 1991. How many it is 1. 1992, it is a leap year, right? So I'll write 2. 1993, you have to check here before going to the table. First do this one, do this exercise. Let us see. Let us count till we get 7. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. So definitely, so since it is 7 is over. So the next year is what? Next year is what? Definitely 1991 and 1985. These are the years. Now you check both are leap years or normal years. This is a normal year. This is normal year. What about that one? 1991. It is also a normal year. 1 odd. Okay. So this must be very crucial. If the question comes in a different way, you should only crack this these type of questions, right? Maybe 90% questions are easy, but the 10% only you should crack that one, right? So for that reason only I am giving this much explanation, right? Okay, 1 and 1. So definitely for 1985, 1991 is the subsequent year which has the same calendar year, right? Okay. Now, after how many years we got this one? 1985. After how many years we got this 1991? Add it and say, after how many years we got that one? Right? That is 85 plus how many years? It is 6 years, is it not? Okay. Keep it just right here, right? We'll write here. I'll rub this one here, or else. So, regarding 1985, it is after 6 years. But 1985, right? This is how many years after a leap year? This is how many years after leap year? This is a 1984. Immediate leap year is 1984. This is 1 year after leap year. 1 year after leap year. Because leap year is, the previous leap year is, immediate leap year is 1984. This is 1 year after leap year. You observe this one, that is sequence 1112, 1112, 1112. It goes on, right? Okay. Now, coming to the next one. Which year next to 2006 that has the same calendar as that of 2006? Which year that is next to 2006 that has the same calendar as that of 2006? You try that one. First you try that one. Once it is over, then switch over to the video then. Right? Okay, I am starting this one. See, 2006, generally, it is how many years after a leap year that is? How many years after leap year? So it comes around, it is 2 years after leap year, right? Okay, fine. But do this one, right? That is, I am not introducing the table, but there are, I am going with the concept first of all, then we'll go with the table, that is shortcut, that is. 2006, how many, is it a normal year or leap year, first of all? Right? Is it a normal year, leap year? That is normal year, right? You put this one like this. NY, normal year. 2006, 1 odd day. 2007, 1. 2008, 1. It is 2, right? Next, 2009, that is 1. 2010, it is 1. 11, 1. 12, 1. Not 1, it is 2, right? Again, 2013, 1 odd day. 14, 2 odd days. Is it 2? 2014 is not a leap year, okay? 2015, that is, generally our mind goes like that. That is, it takes the 2014 means, since it is 4, it will be a leap year. It says like that, okay? So, but don't confuse with this one. So, 2015, 1, 2016, That is, it is 2, 2017. That is 1. Okay, 2018, so on. Okay, why I am writing this much is, let us see. I think you have tried and you got the answer as 2012. Yeah, is it not? But, my dear, 2006 is a normal year, and you are saying we got by 2000 stopped there, that is 7 stopped, and you said 2012. But have you checked the starting year and the ending year? Both are same years, that is normal years, or both are leap years? The condition is very important, right? So don't be in a hurry to do this one. So just see here. This is a normal year. Let us start, that is count 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop there and say the next year. Okay, fine. You have done this one. But 2012, this is 2012. 2012 is a leap year. You see this one, 2 odd days. That is. There it is 1 odd day means normal year. So we should not stop there. Okay, 7. You put 7 and start till you get 14. Till you get 40 again, right? Okay, now here we stop now. Here we stop, that is not there, right? It is not there. So, yeah. It is, from here you have to add and say, okay, shall I negate this one and say, or else go 7 plus 2, 9, till when? 14 we have to say, right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, stop, that is. So 14 we got till here, means what is the next year? Next year is 2017. 2017. So for 2006, that is 2017 is the next calendar, same calendar, and it came after how many years? It came after how many years? After 11 years. So you had to wait for 11 years to get the same calendar for 2006. Understood? This one, observe the year. This is 2006. You observe this 2006. This is how many years after a leap year I am saying. How many years after a leap year? So it is leap year plus 2 I can say, because it is 2 after 2004, it is 2 years. I can name it as leap year plus 2. That is 2 years after. Previous one 1985. It is 1 year after leap year. That is, we can say that is leap year plus 1. Right? Why I am making this one? Because you see the sequence now here, 1 1 2 1. Sequence 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2. This is, it goes on cyclically. If it is going cyclically, that is definitely there will be some cyclicity. That is, one rule will exist, one shortcut will exist for all the years, right? So definitely we are going into the detail now. Just observe, right? I'll go again. I'll explain this one in the next frame. See this one. Observe the odd days from 1988. You write 1988. No need. I'll give this one also. Yeah. From 1988, you see this one. The odd days 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1. Is it not? So it is going some cyclicities. So definitely we'll get some. We can prepare some logic or prepare some shortcuts there. Okay. So wait a minute now. You see. 1988 is named as, it's a leap year. We know that one. And the next year after the 1988, 1989 is 1 year after leap year. I named it as leap year plus 1. In the same way, 1990, leap year plus 2. And 1991, leap year plus 3. If I name like this, next again, what you will get? 1992. Again, this is a leap year. Is it not? So, again a leap year. Again, leap year plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, leap year. Leap year plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, leap year. This goes on. Is it not? Understood this one? Now, with this one, we can make a shortcut. Every rule exists here based on only these patterns 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? We'll see that one. You try for 1988. After how many years we'll get the same calendar year for 1988? Right? We can't. If you try for 1988, after how many years we'll get the leap year means it is a leap year, and you have to search for leap year only and same calendar. Same calendar means definitely odd days must be either 0 or multiples of 7. Okay, and the starting year and the ending year should be the same. Both are leap years only. If you try for that one, it takes so much time, and after 28 years it comes. After 28 years. You try that one definitely with this logic, right? So definitely you'll get that one after 28 years. Means 1988 plus 28 means it is 16, 11, that is 2016. So 2016. Is it not 2016 is a leap year? Yes. And 1988 also leap year. So for leap year, we have to wait for how many years? 28 years. 28 years. Right? So, but we can't do always, definitely leap year, the same calendar leap year comes after every 28 years. For every leap year, it comes after 28 years. Clear? So I'm making this one into a standard rule now, right? So we'll see that one, the standard rule now. Now I will name it okay. Before going for the shortcut, we'll do one thing. Here, if I remove that one, now you say 1995 is how many years after leap year? 1995 is how many years after leap year? Right? You see, how to check how many years means before how many, how many years before, that is, how many years before the leap year has come. We don't know that one, no? So you do the one thing. We know the leap year concept, that is checking leap year, is it not? So 1995, you just check divide by leap year, that is divide by 4 and check whatever you get this one. If it is exactly divisible, it is a leap year. If it is not, we'll get some remainder. That is nothing but that many years after it, that is. Let me explain this one. 1995. That is, I will divide this one with 4. 95. 4 2s 8. 15. 4 3 is 12. That is not exactly divisible, and the remainder is what? 3. That means this 1995. This is 3 years after a leap year. That means definitely you see this one 1995 before 3 years means is it not 1992 is exactly that is leap year? Yes. So the remainder is not odd days. Don't confuse it, right? Don't be confused here. That is, these are not odd days. It is years divided by 4 means nothing but 1992 plus 3. So I can write this 1995 as 1992 plus 3 means it is a leap year plus 3. That's all. I'll name this one as now leap year plus 3. Depending on the reminders, you have to say what is the code of the, I can say the code of the year. Code, right? So the codes are only leap year LY, LY plus 1, LY plus 2 and LY plus 3. Only 4 varieties are there. Okay. Now, if I choose 1997, definitely it is divided by 4, it goes, so 96, just 96 is a leap year, we can say it is leap year plus 1. Or else, since remainder is 1, it is leap year plus 1. I gave both the ways. You can search for the immediate leap year and then say +2, or else divide this one and wherever the remainder, then it is leap year +3, that is. Okay, then coming to, yeah. Now, our practice also we have done. Shall I give another one question? Let it be, as usual, that is, take the, for practice, you take that one. Okay, 2014, and 2019, 1975. What are the cases? You start this one, just you have to practice, man. You have to practice. Otherwise, just learning or studying is not enough. Practicing is also must and should, right? So once I gave the technique, you try for other years also, so that it will be definitely it will be sandwiched. That is, you'll get command over the subject, right? Okay, 2014. 2014 means it is not a leap year, but it is how many years after leap year? That is, before that one, it is 2012 only. You know that one. So we can say this one as a leap year +2. Is it not? Okay. If 2019 is asked, you see, 2020 is a leap year. 2020 is leap. It is 1 year before a leap year, or if it is 1 year before leap year, or 3 years after leap year. Is it not? So definitely I can say that is it is 2016. It is 3 + 3, or 2020 -1. Right? So you got this technique also now. 2000. So it is leap year +3. What about 1975? 1975, you have to learn. So fourth table and seventh table, only these are the deciding factors in calendars. Once you learn fourth and seventh table, over. That is, our calendars with the concept, you can finish exactly, you can get exact answers, right? And 1975 with 472, that is 4 ones. You have to use your brain only. 4 ones, 35, 4 eights, 32, +3, that is. So demand is 3. So this is leap year +3. If I give any other, say that is, we'll go 1869. Good. 1869. So definitely it is how many years after leap year? That is 69. Before that one, 68. Is it exactly divisible with 4? 68. That is 68. Definitely it goes, is it not? So 4 ones, 4 sevens, so it goes 68. Right? So definitely this is 1 year after a leap year. Clear? So this is leap year +1. This much. Once you learn how to name a year, then it will be easy for you to judge the same calendar. Right? Excuse me. Right. So let us start. You got this one? Yes. 2019, 1975. Okay, 1897. Huh? Oh, 1897, it is given. So how many years after that one? That is 1896 +1, that is leap year +1, right? Okay. So these are the cases. It is the table. The previous leap year comes after how many years? That is definitely, it is after 28 years. The subsequent, in future, you write this table, you note this one. That is, leap year comes after 28 years. Same calendar, leap year, right? And this one, leap year +1. Where we got this one, leap year +1? Just the first discussion, 1985. This is 1985. 1985 is how many years after leap year? We got the answer as 1991 as the answer. Is it not? Right? So, but 1985 is how many years of leap year? 1 year of leap year. It comes after how many years? 6 years. Simply that is. Is it not? So, it is 1985 plus 6. It is 1991. So, any leap year plus 1 comes after how many years? After 6 years. Any leap year plus 2, the next discussion what we said, that is it comes after 11 years. And any leap year plus 3, leap year plus 2 after 11 years, and leap year plus 3 also after 11 years. Simple condition. One is leap year. It comes after, same calendar leap year comes after 28 years. And how to memorize this 28 years? You may think that it is 38 years like that after 1 year or after 3 months. If you again revise this one, how to revise means definitely you should not make mistake, that is 28. So it is, that is definitely 7th table I said, and 4th table is must and should in this one set. I said no. So 7 4 28, that's it. Okay, this will be understood now, right? Okay, you should not do mistakes there. Okay, leap year plus 1, that is plus 6. Leap year plus 2, there we got, after 6 years we got, but both are, one is normal year, the other one is leap year. So that's why after 11 years we got, for which year? We have done one question on this one. What is that one? What is that one? Which question we have done? That is, 2006 we have done. You see, the 2006, it is leap year. Is it leap year plus 1 or plus 2? It is leap year plus 2. For this one, how many years is here? See here. There is, after 11 years we got. So, that is cyclicity goes and goes, and always we can make one rule now. That is, so this is the rule for 2006. Right? Okay. That means leap year plus 2 after 11 years. Even leap year plus 3 will get after 11 years. Clear? So, shall we start? After learning the basic concepts in same calendar years, right? Let us take 1 or 2 examples so that it will be convenient for you, right, to understand each and every concept in this one, right? So, let us go with a question now. Yeah, you try this one. Which year next to 1972 has the same calendar as that of 1972? That is it 1972 the leap year or normal year? Leap year. So what do you have to say? Simply, no need of filling this one. It is leap year. The table goes, same calendar leap year comes after 28 years. So just add. Before that one, first you make in a systematic way. This is leap year. LY you put like LY like this for basic, that is right, and you add according to the rule 28 years, add and say that is 1972 plus 28. That is it comes around 2000. And I said even for leap year, what is the condition we have to do? You have to see. The condition is the second rule. What is that one? Whether this is a leap year or not. Okay. Since it is a leap year, this is also should be a leap year. Is it a leap year? You have to check. You have to check. Right? Why? Because for leap year, again leap year comes no problem. But in 400 years, there are 3 exceptions. In 400 years, Gregorian calendar, there are 3 exceptions where leap year was removed. Is it not? Leap year comes every 4 years actually. The original leap year, always leap year concept started giving 1 day for 4th year. That is February 29th. But when Gregorian calendar came, Gregorian calendar, this is whatever we are using today now. Once this was came, the leap years were removed. What are those? What are those? That is 100th year, 200th year, 300th year, and 400th year. Total 400 years. 1 to 400 say. Suppose starting 1 to 400 say. Definitely they removed. Actually, these are originally they are leap years or normal years. Originally they are leap years. Originally they are leap years. But Gregorian time they have corrected and they removed for originally, that is original or prior, right? It is a leap year only. This is also leap year. This is also leap year. This one is also leap year. And this one also leap year. But after Gregorian time, Gregorian calendar, they removed that extra day and said this is normal year, this is normal year, and this is normal year, and this is also normal year. This is what we have explained in the previous video, that is in leap year verification, right? I have given that is full explanation regarding this one. Now, in the same way, 1900, for every 400, how many leap years are removed? 3 leap years are removed. In the same way, if I say for 1600 to 2000, right? So there will be 1700, 1800, 1900, right? So which are the leap years, which are not? If you see that one, 1600 leap year, okay, we won't bother about this one. 1700 normal year, 800 normal year, this one normal year, but 2000 leap year only. Whichever is multiples of 400 or divided by 400, they are leap years, and the rest of the century years are normal years. Okay, there at these junctions, this rule, whatever I said, the rule, that won't happen. We have to, this rule won't exist. That is exception. Right? So be cautious about that one. So for basic one, we have done full, that is maximum we have done, right? I gave all the, which are do's and don'ts, everything I have given, and exceptions also I have explained now, right? So be cautious while doing this one. These are the cases, right? Now, coming to the next question. So here 1972 definitely here, that is we have said that is this is a leap year and this is also a leap year. We have to check that one, right? Okay. Next question. Which year next to 1990 that has the same calendar as that of 1990? Which year next to 1990 that has the same calendar as that of 1990? See, again, no need to worry about this one. Just see the chart, remember the chart, right? And get the answer directly. Now, 1990 is how many years after leap year? 1990 is how many after the leap year? It is leap year plus 2. 1988, 90 divided by 4. 4 ones, 4 twos are 8, 10 4 twos are 8, still 2 is remainder. That remainder 2 is nothing but, so this is 2 years after a leap year, that is, right? Okay, now leap year plus 2, the condition is what? After 11 years it comes, so definitely it comes after 11 years, means just add 11 and say, that is. So it is how much? 1, 0, 0, 2. So it is 2001. 2001. Understood? So here, see how much simple it is. For 11 years to add, there is a problem, right? Now, you must have got one doubt. If you are going forward, fine, but what about backward? Previously, when we have done, that means I said the previous one instance, medical practitioners or representatives, generally they use the old diaries right? So how they are trying, we'll see that one now, right? So it's quite simple, and I'll make this one in a normal sense. There is a just hold on. Okay, you try this one. First of all, you try the first. That is, it is a previous question only. Which year next to 2005 has the same calendar as that of 2005? So 2005 is how many years after leap year? So name it. It is leap year plus 3. Leap year plus 3. No, leap year plus 1. Okay, leap year plus 1. Okay, 2004 is nothing but 2004 plus 1. So 2004 is a leap year only, right? So 2004, that means leap year plus 1, how many years after it comes? It comes after 6 years. So it is 2011. Go for the next one now. See this one. Okay, now the original question is, which year shall I, which year next to 2005? That is, this is fine. So you got the answer, that is B, 2011. Fine. I mean to, which year earlier to 2003 had the same calendar as that of the year 2003, earlier. You see, for this one, okay, we can use a chart, but first of all, just try and I will show you the procedure here. Let us see what happens, okay? That is, I think we got this one right, okay. Say 2003, that is 1 odd day. 2002, back, you are going back, right? Okay. So 2003, 1, okay. We have to add all of them till we get 7, 14, 21. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, stop there. 7. Stop there. And what is the next year? 1997. But 2003, is it a normal year or leap year? It is a normal year. It's a normal year. And 1997 is also a normal year or leap year? Normal year. Hence, so the year earlier to 2003 is 1997, which has the same calendar as that of 2003. Okay, here, how many years back? We'll name this one again. What is that one? 2003 is, first of all, how many years after leap year? 2003, 2000 is a leap year. 2000 is a leap year. This is how many years of leap year? 3 years of leap year. For 3 years of leap year, how many years you have to wait? Let us see. 2003, that is back. You have to go back. How many years back? 297 is 6 years back. 6 years back. But 6 years after, we got for how, which one? Leap year, future. Leap year plus 1 we got. Is it not? Same, that rule, now it exists for leap year plus 3 now. Right? Okay. We'll make this one into again a chart. Wait for a while. Right? So your answer is now, it is 19. No. That is 2003. It is, here it stopped. Huh? Okay. Here, that is 7 is over. That's why it is, this is it. This is, we have to stop here and say 1997, right? Okay, this much is okay. Now, let us try another one. Which year earlier to 1982? Which year earlier to 1982 that has the same calendar as that of the year 1982? So, how many years that is? You have to try 1982. This is how many years of leap year? That is leap year plus this 2. 1980 is a leap year plus 2. Leap year plus 2 comes definitely how many years? After how many years? 11. So you put 11 there. No, the question is earlier to. That is, it is not next to. It is earlier to. Right? So you have to check for that one and try. But I will make now. Just observe the chart I prepared here. You see, in future, it goes like this. Plus 28, plus 6, plus 11, you have wrote. But in past, how this goes means, it is minus 28, That is plus means it is minus 28. And see this chart, no, this one, if this plus 6 plus 7, this just reverse. Just reverse, that is. Right? So this one comes here, this one comes here as it is. So this one there. So here, the previous discussion I said, leap year plus 3. Which year that one? Leap year plus 3 is which one? Leap year plus 3, that is 2003. So this one, it is leap year plus 3, it is minus 6. So it is minus 6. So we got leap year plus 3, it is minus 6. Is it not? So no need to worry about now. Once you learn the concept, right? So that is more than enough. And now observe this one. It is plus 6 plus 11 plus 11. This is minus 6 minus 11 minus 11 and minus 28. That's all. Right? And just you observe this one, the table, right? For which years the condition is not that much changed. Condition not that much changed. Either that is before or after, the condition did not change for which year? Which year? That is leap year plus 2. You see this one, leap year plus 2. It is plus 11 minus 11. No problem. If it is leap year plus 2, just for forward and backward, don't bother. Right? Directly plus 11 minus 11. Except leap year plus 2. Okay, that is, you said that is even this one also. So leap year is always a, this is not at all a issue. Okay, you can say, okay, 2 are there. That is, one is leap year and the other one is leap year plus 2. Good. Okay. And only we have to be cautious about which years? Leap year plus 1 and leap year plus 3. Leap year plus 1 and leap year plus 3. So leap year plus 1, it should have plus 6 to go future, and you have to subtract 11, and vice versa for leap year plus 3. Don't learn the table, don't by heart the table. Analyze the table. You interpret the table. See what is happening. See where is similarity. That is, once you learn this one, no need to by heart. Directly before the exam, just see the chart and see this one. Okay, fine. I got that one. Leap year, I have to be conscious about which two, that is, which 2 years? Leap year plus 1 and leap year plus 3. That's all. Clear? That's it. Now, that is, we have started one question now. Let us start. Leap year plus 2. No problem. There is no problem. Directly it is, whether it is going forward or backward, just when I have to go back, just remove 11. That's all. That is 1971. Fine. That's fine. Clear? Right? Okay. Then, next. Which of the following years had the same calendar as that of the year 1998? Yeah. So some years they have given before and after. This has come in the previous exam. This is come as a previous exam, recently that is. Right? Okay, so here see 1998, we have to name what is that is, we have to go for same calendar means, is it leap year plus 1 or plus 2 or plus 3, we have to find out that one. So 1998, just try. You try that one, right? And after that one, just see this one. This is 1998 it seems it is a leap year. It seems it is a leap year. Be cautious about this, 1998. Seems it is a leap year, but no. After 2 years, you'll get 2000. That is a leap year. Before 1996 is a leap year, right? But this is not a leap year. It is 2 years after leap year. Wow. Again, this one, leap year plus 2. We got 2 years of leap year. Okay, we have to go plus 11 or minus 11. That is the case. Now, here, plus 11, let us observe plus 11, what are the answers? 8 plus 1, that is 9, 0, 10. 2009 is the case. Search for those whichever is 2000. Okay, you got 3 options. 3 options. One is, this is absolutely wrong. We got 3 options still there. Okay, fine. Verify. And we have to go previously, is it not? 19, in these cases, it is before is given. Even here, before is given. No, after is given. So this is also wrong. And this one, chance is there. Okay, let us see now. For 1998, go before, that is 11 years back again. That is, it is 1987, right? Wow, it is 1987 and 2009 means your option is, see, questions are now, it is not given direct. Now we have to do something to get the answer. You have to do some work, right? In the exams also. If people have given calendars in this way, you should be very cautious. If it is leap year plus 3, what you have to do? Leap year plus 3, what you have to do? You have to go forward how many years? Go forward 11 years or back 6 years. That should be in your mind. Okay? Right. Then, so here we have done, so last day there is, so this is about the entire, right? Okay, we'll do which is, yeah. Just try this question. Just try this question, right? And I'll start. You pause the video and start. You try this one. What is the answer? What is the answer? Did you get 2008? You should not get. Those people who won't go with the table and try with 111 and say, definitely their perfect wrong answer is 2008, which is the wrong answer. Why? Because, sorry, 1 second. Here, what is the question? Which year will start on the same day as that of the year 2002? That is, the concept is here, sorry. This is, for that reason only I didn't, that is, dictate the question, right? The question is, which year will start on the same day as that of the year 2002? This question is my innovation. But this question comes in the exam, right? Here, what you people say 2002, that is okay. That is based on chart you had added 11 years and said 2013 is your answer. But this is wrong. This is wrong. Why? Why? Did they have asked here, did they have asked same calendar? No. Did they have same calendar? No. They said it is same day. That's all. That means which year will start on the same day as that of the year 2002. We need same day. They may be calendars different or the same, but they must start on the same day. What are the chance? You see, 2000, there is 2000, which year? 2002. 2002, in the previous discussion, just see, for this is leap year plus 2. For leap year plus 2, we got one problem. What is that one? This is a normal year. This is a normal year. And after 7 years, if we try this one after 7 years, up to 2000, that is 9, 2000, sorry, that is after 6 years, no? 6 years. Leap year plus 2, though it is 11 years, first of all, after 6 years, what you got? It is 2008 you got. Y plus 6. Okay, I'll make this one. Let me go in detail because, right, so many people are not confident about this question. 2002, I need the same day. What do you mean by same day? Same day means definitely the odd days must be 0. Is it not? Okay, with this one we'll start. 2002, that is 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, that is 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 2008, it is 2, okay, fine, 2009, I'll write here itself, 2009, that is 1, okay, We have to go for 11 years, but wait. Let us start. This is 2002. Is it a normal year, leap year? Normal year. Start. 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop there. Stop there. So, what is it now we are missing here? That is, so here 2008 is there, but can you take 2008? 2008 is not same, it is not a same calendar. We are not searching for same calendar, but this is, though it is a leap year, this is normal year, right? We are not searching for same calendar. We are searching for same day, just same day starting, that's all. That means to get the same day also the same logic, that is what? To get the same day, the logic is what? Odd days must be either 0 or 7, 14, 21 like that, right? But for same calendar, extra condition is there, both should be same. For same day, no need. Condition need not be there. There is no need of condition that is normal year and both should be normal year, both should be leap year. No need. They'll start on the same day, that's all. Understood the point, right? So, here, since it has come 7 days, that means odd days are 0, definitely 2002 January 1st and 2008 January 1st will be the same. Will be the same day only. Either Tuesday or Wednesday, both. January 1st, Tuesday, January 1st also, here also 2008, Tuesday only. They'll start on the same day, no problem. But the problem starts when? In 2008 February 29th comes, no. So, till February 28th, in both the cases, they will be similar, same. After that one, this calendar changes, right? So, we got now one extra condition is that if we need the same day starting, we have to go only the first rule, that is rule 1, that is odd days must be 0. Odd days must be 0. If we need to have same calendar, another condition should be there, that is both must be either normal years or both should be either leap years. Either normal or leap years, that's all. Okay, this condition is not needed for starting day, that is. So, with this one, we can conclude that all same calendar years will start on same day, but all the years which start on the same day, need not be same calendar years. This concept, whatever we have done, nobody will discuss about this one, I'm sure, right? So, this much once you learn, you are confident now to do the calendars. Calendars questions may be easy sometimes, but when it goes complicated, you are the person to crack the question, right? Okay. So, with this one, we can complete the entire